Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. My name is Olayemi. Today I want to share with you how I make puff. This is a very simple recipe. If you are interested, please keep watching. Click the like button on this video and leave down a comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Let's get started in making our puff. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I already save it because I don't want any lumps to be in the flour or any dirt, so I already save it. This is the tools I will be using: measuring cups and measuring spoons. Let's go straight in activating our yeast. I'm going to put warm water, not hot, into this bowl to activate my yeast for bread. That I want to use hot water and the yeast did not activate that day, so please don't use hot water, use warm. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar into this bowl. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of active yeast. I'm going to combine the sugar and the yeast together by mixing it and steep it aside for 5 minutes to allow it to rise. If you are using instant yeast, you can as well add it directly without activating it. So let's go straight in mixing our dry ingredients. I'm going to add half cup of sugar into this 2 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Actually, you can add any quantity of sugar to suit your taste, but I'm going to use half cup of sugar. I'm going to combine my dry ingredients together before adding my activated yeast. So I'm going to let everything combine before adding my active yeast. It's properly combined, so I'm going to add my active yeast into it. Then I'll start combining the wet and dry ingredients together gently before adding my other warm water into it. So let me start mixing this. If you've not liked this video yet, remember to click the like button and subscribe button to get updated every time I upload a new video. When you subscribe, it's just to support me. Remember, it's free. Subscribing is free. I can't believe it's almost 1 year that I started my YouTube channel, and I just want to say I appreciate every one of you that have been supporting me with like and comment. Everyone that has subscribed, and even the ones that have yet to subscribe, and the ones that give me views. I just want to say I appreciate every one of you. I'll still be here trying to improve and trying to give you more of my best recipes and what I love and how I do my things. Now it's time for me to cover it and keep it in a warm place to allow it to rise. Look at it, after 30 minutes everything has risen twice. It has doubled its size, so it's time for us to fry our puff. But before that, I'm going to stir this to show you how it looks. You see, it looks sticky and stretchy, so this is how you should know that your puff is ready to be fried. So you can see how it looks. It looks really sticky. You need to have the strength to do this because it's really sticky. So we are going to go to I already put a cooking oil in a pot, so I heated it. Please put it in a medium heat so your puff will not get burned. So I'm going to start frying this. I like using my hands because I normally get the shape as my grandma would say, all fingers are not equal, so I don't want everything to look equal. I want everything to go different size, so it will be easy to put in my mouth. Our oil is hot now. It's time for us to start frying our puff. I don't want it to look round. I just want it to give me different type of shape. You can as well scoop your puff with spoon, or if you have ice cream scoop, you can as well use that. But I'm going to use my hand. I prefer using my hand because I can get different type of shape. Everything will not come round. I don't actually like it when it's too round. So just do anything you feel like, anything you feel comfortable in doing, you can as well do that. So I'll keep on doing this. After that, we start flipping the puff. This thing's actually stop. Sometimes it doesn't flip the way you want it. As you can see, some of the puff is already getting golden brown. It's already getting cooked. So it's just time for me to start flipping it. Sometimes this thing doesn't really turn. It's okay. You can just keep on stirring it and moving it around. But puff is actually stubborn. It doesn't stay where you want it to stay. Our puff is ready. It's time for me to put it in a paper towel in a bowl. Just put, now you can see how it looks. It looks golden brown. It's not round. The shape looks beautiful and it looks tasty. You can leave a comment down in the comment section. Consider subscribing and click the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload new video. Remember to hit the like button on this video. Remember to check this box here for more recipe. Guess I'll see you all in my next video.